Hi, what's going on, everyone? My name is Samuel Jace and I'm your host in this video today. So today I'm just going to show you another biggest account ever in Google Ads threshold, which is contains $60,000 threshold Google Ads account, which means it's already preloaded with $60,000 in Google Ads. So it's really fantastic to make your business skyrocket. So one thing you have to keep in mind that this account is invoice account, so Google let you spend $60,000 first, and then they will going to charge you step by step. So if you they will give like a very small threshold in this $60,000 threshold, something like they give you a $20,000 first, then you have to spend this $20,000 and they will like to charge you then $20,000. So I'm just going to show you a really quick walkthrough in this account, so you will get understand what's going on actually in this account. So let me show you the first, and also thank you. Alright, so let me log in it at ads.google.com. so yeah, it's already loading, and yep, it's already ready. As you can see here, this is a really quick walkthrough of January 1 to February 13, and I'm just going to select the date of January 1 to March 4. So let me hit the apply button, so it will actually show you the real things. And yes, here you can see that the main thing of this account is already received 23,000 clicks and 675,000 of impression. 1.8 is a CPC, which is pretty good, and $46,000 is already spent, which is really insane. And there is one thing I have to mention, that the account is promoting a real estate campaign, which is really real estate campaign is really spending a lot of money. As you know, this is really high campaign and high keyword in Google search, so you have to understand that. And also, and here you can see the campaign and the keyword. Sorry, I'm just not going to show you any keyword spending things, but you can see the keyword here is all real estate keyword that a big company is promoting from the Hollywood. And here you can see the campaign spending is really pretty good from January 1 of this year and March 4 of today. So really it's really spending very well from the start. So I'm just going to show you now a real quick of the billing section, that you will get the understand of what's going on in the total spending. So let me show you the billing section right now. Alright, so I'm just clicking the summary here of the first of this account. So let me show you the billing section. As you can see here, it's the same things as $46,256 already spent, and also it's as you can see here, $46,256.45. and here you can see the budget is $60,000 they will give you in total, and it's already reached 88% of the budget, and the total budget amount is $60,000. So if I show you the rest of the amount is $30,744 is already have to spend. So this is the it, and this account is really insane and really doing good and so on, and you can see it. And also thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and drop a like in this video. And also you can check our description link. So here you can see my site, no cost ads agency, which is really learning you the big thing. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you.